Now we also read the story of a man called Solomon. The Bible tells us about Solomon that God gave him wisdom. As a matter of fact, Solomon asked for wisdom because God gave him an open check to ask for whatever he wanted. And Solomon asked for wisdom, and God gave him wisdom plus other things. The question I have for us today is, what did Solomon do with his wisdom? What did Solomon do with his wisdom? Did Solomon act like some of us who all we're going to be saying every day is, I have the wisdom of God, I have the wisdom of God, I have the wisdom of God, I have the wisdom of God? Somebody said that so much, I said, okay, I heard you. What have you done with that wisdom? What have you done with the wisdom of God that you have? Solomon did something with the wisdom that God gave him. Wisdom does not give us money. Wisdom only shows you what to do. When you do that, that is when the money comes. Remember